Investigation of nonlinear absorption coefficient of Agio incorporated ZNO, UL composite thin film by Z-skin technique. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Graphene, a single-layer, two-dimensional nanomaterial, has gained significant attention in various scientific and technological fields due to its remarkable properties. Its exceptional optical, mechanical, thermal, and electronic characteristics make it highly suitable for applications in optoelectronics and photonics. The fabrication of a reduced graphene oxide, Agio, integrated aluminum-doped zinc oxide, ZNO, UL, composite thin film on a glass substrate using the spin coating technique has been presented. In this study, Agio ZNO, UL thin films were fabricated on thoroughly cleaned glass substrates using the spin coating technique. Reduced graphene oxide, Agio, was synthesized using a modified Hammer's method. The influence of Agio on the structural and linear optical characteristics of the Agio ZNO, UL composite film was examined through X-ray powder diffraction, XRD, scanning electron microscopy, SEM, and UV-vis absorption spectroscopy. Structural analysis confirmed the presence of a hexagonal wurtzite structure, with strong interfacial bonding between Agio and ZNO, UL. The nonlinear absorption behavior of the composite thin film was investigated using the open aperture Z-skin technique with a Q-switched ND, YAG laser at 532 nanometers. The Z-skin results revealed that the composite film exhibits reverse saturable absorption with a nonlinear absorption coefficient, beta, of 5.93 times 105 cmW. The incorporation of Agio leads to a decrease in the ZNO, UL diffraction peak intensity, which can be linked to the reduction of ZNO content in the composite. These findings highlight the potential of Agio ZNO, UL thin films for applications in absorbing type optical devices, including optical limiters, optical switches, and optical sensor protection in the field of nonlinear optics. In conclusion, the incorporation of Agio enhances excitant formation in ZNO, UL, leading to improved linear absorption and band gap modulation. Open aperture Z-skin measurements reveal the presence of reverse saturable absorption, RSA, primarily driven by two-photon absorption, TPA, and free carrier absorption, FCA. Introduction. This study focuses on the nonlinear optical properties of a composite material made by combining reduced graphene oxide, Agio, and aluminum-doped zinc oxide, ZNO, UL. Both Agio and ZNO, UL are known for their unique optical behaviors, making them suitable for advanced technology in fields like photonics and optoelectronics. The Agio ZNO, UL composite thin films were created using a technique called spin coating, and their optical characteristics were carefully analyzed. The research looks into how the addition of Agio influences the nonlinear optical response of the composite material, such as its ability to absorb light in unique ways. This study fills a gap in existing research, offering insights into how this material can be used for practical applications, such as optical limiters and sensors, to protect sensitive devices and human eyes from intense laser light. Conclusion. This study examines the properties of thin films made by combining reduced graphene oxide, Agio, with aluminum-doped zinc oxide, ZNO, UL, using a spin coating technique. The films show a stable structure, with strong interactions between Agio and ZNO, UL. The addition of Agio improves the material's light absorption and modifies its energy properties. Special measurements reveal that the films exhibit reverse saturable absorption, a unique light-absorbing behavior. These findings suggest that Agio ZNO, UL films could be useful in developing advanced optical devices like optical limiters, switches, and systems for processing light signals. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.